Hello, good morning all of you. Today in this class, I am going to explain you about the peripheral nervous system. Okay, so the peripheral nervous system, what are the nerves present in the peripheral nervous system? Uh, that is the cranial nerves and spinal nerves. How many types of cranial nerves are there and how many pairs of spinal nerves are there? What are its function? So everything I will explain you in this class. Okay. So you please look at the picture. All of you look at the picture. So the peripheral nervous system is formed from the nerves that arises from the brain and the spinal cord. Okay. So the nerves that emerges from the brain are called as cranial nerves, whereas the nerves that emerges from the spinal cord are called as spinal nerves. Okay. So the cranial nerves will arises from the brain. The brain is covered by the bony structure, that is a cranium. So the cranium consists of small openings from where the nerves will emerges out, that is called as foraminae. So from these foraminae, the cranial nerves will emerges out from the brain. Okay. So there are total 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are there. So the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are, first one is the olfactory nerve, second nerve is the optic nerve, third nerve is the oculomotor nerve, and the fourth one is the pathetic nerve or the trigeminal nerve. Fifth one, trigeminal nerve. Next, the sixth nerve is the abducens. The seventh one is the facial nerve. Eighth one is the acoustic nerve, which is also called as auditory nerve or vestibulocochlear nerve. The ninth nerve is the glossopharyngeal nerve. 10th one is vagus nerve. 11th is spinal accessory nerve. And the 12th one is hypoglossal nerve. So these are the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves present in the man. Okay. So all of you please follow my teaching. Okay. Based upon the function, these cranial nerves are of three types. That is the sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. So the sensory nerves are olfactory nerves, optic nerves and auditory nerves. So these three are the sensory nerves. The term itself says that olfactory nerves are connected to the nose, optic nerves are connected to the eyes and auditory nerves are connected to the ears. Okay. Next, motor nerves. So the motor nerves are connected to the motor organs like the organs which are having the movement, like forearms and hind limbs. Okay, legs. So their first one is the oculomotor, which is a motor in function. Next one is the pathetic or trochlear. Next is the abducens. Next is the spinal accessories. Next, fifth one is the hypoglossal. So these five are the motor nerves. Next, mixed nerves. Mixed nerves means they will functions both as a spinal nerve as well as a motor nerve. Okay. So these are also four types. So these four types of nerves are vagus nerve, trigeminal nerve, facial nerve and glossopharyngeal nerve. So these four are the mixed nerves. Okay, you please go through my picture once so that you will understand easily. Now I will explain you about the each type of the cranial nerves in detail. So you please go through the pictures and follow my audio. Okay, go through the pictures. So the first one is the olfactory nerve. So this olfactory nerve, it will arises from the nasal chamber olfactory epithelium, and it will extends to the temporal lobe of the cerebral hemisphere via the olfactory bulb. So look at the picture. Are you able to see the nasal chamber? So the nerves, small nerves are connected to the nasal chamber, and a bulb like structure, that is olfactory bulb, yellow colored structure is there. Look at the picture. Okay, so the second type is the optic nerve. So the optic nerve is which is also the sensory in function. So these optic nerves, they are connected to the eyes, means it will arises from the retina of the eye. The two optic nerves will cross each other on the floor of the diencephalon and forms the X-shaped structure that is called as optic chiasma. Okay, and finally the impulses which arises from these optic chiasma will reaches the visual cortex in the occipital lobe of the brain. Okay, so look at the picture. Next one, that is the third one, is the oculomotor nerve, which is also the motor nerve. Okay, so this oculomotor nerve, it will arises from the floor of the midbrain, and it will innervates the muscles, that is inferior oblique muscles, superior and medial rectal muscles, ciliary muscles and iris muscles of the eyeball. Okay, next one, fourth type of the cranial nerves is the pathetic nerve or the trochlear nerve, which is a motor nerve. So it will arises from the floor of the midbrain and innervates the superior oblique muscles of the eyeball. Okay, look at the picture. Next, fifth type of the cranial nerve is the trigeminal nerve, which is also the mixed nerve, means it is having the both sensory and motor function. So this trigeminal nerve is associated with the pons varioli, and it will joins the Gasserian ganglion, and it is having the three branches, that is the ophthalmic branch, which is supplied to the eyes, maxillary branch and mandibular branch. Okay, so these maxillary and mandibular branches are the mixed nerves. So the trigeminal nerve, it will receive the sensory impulses from these organs, that is from the eyes, from the maxillae and from the mandibles. Okay, that is from the conjunctiva, that is lacrimal glands, that is from the retina, from the teeth, from the muscles of the lower jaw, from the salivary glands, okay, etc. So you please look at the picture, you will understand the trigeminal nerve and its functions. Okay, so next one is the abducens, which is a motor nerve. So this abducens nerve will arises from the pons of the brain, and it will ends in the lateral rectal muscles of the eyeball. Okay, so look at the picture. Next one is the facial nerve. The facial nerve itself says it is the mixed nerve, means the face consists of different sense organs also. So it is called as mixed nerve. So these facial nerves will arise from the pons and ends in the facial palate, hyoid, sublingual, submandibular, salivary glands. Okay, it is sensory in function and it will carry the information from the tongue, that is from the taste buds also, and it will carry the information through the Gasserian ganglion. Okay, so the next one, that is the eighth type of the cranial nerve, is the vestibular cochlear nerve or the acoustic nerve, which is also called as the auditory nerve. So auditory means itself says that it is connected to the ears, which is a sensory in function. Okay, so these vestibular, this nerve is connected to the vestibular region and the cochlear region of the middle ear. Okay, and it will carries the information from these two regions, that is it will arises from the organ of the corti, which is present in the ear, and it will terminates in the sensory nucleus called as cochlear nucleus, which is located at the junction of the pons and the medulla. Okay, so you look at the picture ma. The vestibular branch, it will arises from the semicircular canals, sacculus and utriculus of the internal ear and ends in the vestibular nuclear complex, which is located in the floor of the fourth ventricle of the brain. Okay, so this is about the vestibular cochlear nerve. So the next one is the ninth type, that is the glossopharyngeal nerve, which is a mixed nerve. So this is the motor fibers of this nerve will arises from the medullary region of the brain and ends in the muscles of the pharynx. Next, the muscles of the parotid, sublingual and submaxillary salivary glands. Okay, the impulses, it will carry the impulses to the medulla from the taste buds of the tongue and the pharynx. Okay, this is about the ninth type of the cranial nerve, that is the glossopharyngeal nerve. Okay, so the 10th type of the cranial nerve is the vagus nerve, which is also the mixed nerve. So this vagus nerve arises from the medullary region and terminates in the muscles of the organs such as the lungs, heart, esophagus, stomach, intestine, from which the sensory fibers will arise and terminates in the. So you please look at the picture, that is the vagus nerve. And the next, that is 11th type of the cranial nerve is the spinal accessories. So this spinal accessory nerve is the motor nerve. It arises from the medullary oblongata and terminates in the muscles of the pharynx, larynx, neck and the shoulders. Okay, you please go through the picture. Last one is the hypoglossal nerve, which is the 12th cranial nerve. So this hypoglossal nerve will also arises from the medullary region and it will terminates in the muscles of the tongue. It will controls the movement of the tongue, that is while speaking and while you are eating, it will control the movement of the tongue. Okay, and it will also help in the manipulation of the food and help in the swallowing also. Okay, so this is about the 12 types of the cranial nerves. You please follow the pictures so that you can understand my lesson. Okay, so in the next class I will explain you about the spinal nerves. Okay, so the peripheral nervous system will consist of the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Okay, so the next topic I will explain the spinal nerves. Okay, thank you.